Hey guys, I'm Heidi Christopher, and this is the last video of my 30-day soy-free challenge. So, I did it. I went soy-free for 30 days. Let me tell you, it's not the easiest thing in the world when you are vegan. So, I did a lot of things to try to compensate. So I had the coconut aminos instead of the soy sauce, but eating out, it was a little bit challenging to keep soy-free at vegan restaurants because they tend to use tofu in all of the desserts, or soy milk, or soy this, or soy that. So that was a little challenging. At home, it was super easy once I figured out the coconut aminos. Thank you, Alexander Jameson. I keep saying that, but it was totally a savior for me because soy sauce is such a wonderful flavor, especially in the summer, and I always want to combine it with nut butters and papaya, and it's just, I love it in summer salad, so that was challenging. What else? I feel wonderful. I really do. I feel great. So I'm definitely going to check back in as I ease it back into my routine. The first thing I'm going to do is definitely make a soy nut butter salad because I'm out in Canada on the lake, on Lake Erie. Yay! I've been coming here since I was born, and it's amazing to be able to come back to the same place. My great-grandpa built these houses, and it's really wonderful and special to have a place that you can always come back to. In yoga, you think a lot about coming back to your center and coming back to home, and that's what this place feels like a lot for me, is coming back to home. So I know I'm totally getting off topic on the soy thing, but what I want after this vacation is to find this feeling that this place brings to me everywhere. So that's my new yoga experiment challenge. I wouldn't really call it a challenge, it's more like a journey. So I'm excited for that journey. What else? So I'm here, and the grocery stores here had nothing. So there was no finding coconut aminos anywhere, and there's no vegan yogurt. There's no. It's actually been quite challenging out here, trying to be vegan and get a healthy diet. Luckily, I brought some stuff with me, but now I've run out of all that stuff, except for I brought some raw sprouted Whole Foods granola, which is phenomenal, and some raw nuts and seeds and all that stuff. So that's been good, but no coconut yogurt here that I found so far. Some of my Canadian friends on Facebook have given me some tips on where to find, but I'm in Ontario, and I don't know that anybody knows where any of the Ontario hotspots are in Canada per se. So I'll keep looking because I'm up here. All right, what else? I feel great. I did 30 days no soy, which is awesome. I just started to sing. I was so happy. Sometimes I get really happy and I sing, like when I have a really yummy meal in front of me, I just start to sing. It's kind of funny. It's my musical theater nerd coming out. I feel great from the soy-free. I'm so happy and relaxed being out here on the lake. There is no phone service out here, which is amazing. And I really think it's important to disconnect every now and again and just connect back in to you and what matters to you, and connect to the people that you think are your family. They don't have to be the people that you're born into. Just having a family of people and supporting you around you is so important. So it's important to find as some of my friends say, find your tribe and find your community. So figure out what works for you. In yoga, we call it a kula. Your kula is your community. So find the people that make you feel that way. Find the places that bring you back to you. Find the things that you can do that bring you back to you. And eating is one of those ways. So the soy-free thing for me was really about, just taking that one thing out and seeing how my body responded. And it responded quite well. So I'll be curious to see how it responds when I put it back in. I mentioned in some of my older videos that I also haven't done the gluten this whole time. So that'll be another interesting experiment. So we shall see. All right, guys, so this has been my Heidi Christopher 30-day soy-free challenge, and I am signing off. I am done. Peace out. Love y'all, and let me know what you think my next challenge should be. I cannot wait to hear. All right, guys.